Hi there! In today's video, we are going to open the Neewer professional tripod. Let's open it up over here. It appears the tripod comes with a bag, which is really nice, so you don't have to have your tripod exposed. Okay. Very nice bag, look at that. Very nice handles, and it looks like you could also add another handle so you can throw it over your shoulder, or you could just carry it to your side if you prefer to do that. Let's take a peek on the inside, shall we? Oh, looks like the zipper is here on this end. Ooh, here we go. Here's the bad boy. Oh boy. That's quite the amount of wrapping there. So there's the head. Let's remove the plastic though. So, what appears to be nice is it comes with a customer service ticket in case you want to contact both US based and UK based. I'm actually not sure. I think they might be a UK company. And it also has some quick instructions on how to use it. It shows that there's a tilt bar, safety release button, quick release plate, tilting locking knob, hand locking knob, which is nice so you don't ruin your head, and rubber feet, mid-level spreader, legs, and ball level locking knob. So lots of ways to use it. As you can see in the instructions, looks like all you have to do is just undo this and slide the legs out. So it seems pretty efficient, fairly nice, and of course if you want it in, I'm going to assume it's Japanese. No, it looks kind of Korean. Maybe it's Korean. Maybe you guys can read this language and comment below what language this is in. Definitely English on this side, and I have no idea on this side. Now let's take a look at the product. So as you can see here, it has a nice head, and just like that, you can unlock this and reposition the handle. Looks like the handle's wedged in there pretty well. Let's see if we can get it out. There we go, it's just a matter of unlocking it enough. Now I can get that positioned like so. And then you have these locks right here that all you have to do is unsnap it, and then the legs spread open. So as you can see right here, it has a quick release plate that can be released by hitting this button right here, and then it should slide out. But before you do that, you have to unlock the release plate, and then it just comes out just like that. And you just want to put it back in like that, and then you lock it in again, and now your camera is secure. These adjust depending on what type of camera you have, and then this of course is the pin to secure it in. Now this is the tilting lock right there, so once you do that, now you're able to tilt it. And of course, panning is this lock right here. You unlock this and should be able to pan just like that. So that's pretty good. And now the other cool thing is, if you don't want your handle to be on the right side, all you have to do is completely loosen this and unscrew it. Then you could actually mount it right here on the other side. So it will both do lefty and righty handles, which is nice. So far, really like it. Now let's check out the side here. So apparently, oh, okay, yeah, I guess it's really that easy. So all you need to do is unlock the 3 of these, and then, just like that, lock it up again, and boom. You have your tripod already set up. Definitely some nice features, very easy to work with. And then of course you can also adjust this like this, so you can move your head around. But you can go ahead and tighten it, and now we need to unlock that. We need to unlock the tilt, so we unlock pan and tilt just like that, and look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Very smooth movement. It's like it's definitely like butter. So I'd say that for the price, considering professional tripods can go for hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars depending on the manufacturer, this is actually a pretty good buy. It's definitely a huge upgrade than what we were using before, and the head mount is definitely a pro level with really thick plate right here. And I love the fact that you could switch sides on the handles. Then just like that, you just unlock the legs. But that's pretty much it for today. So if you liked what you saw, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, as well as asking any questions or leaving any comments below. Very fast and efficient. Again, you have another tier right here where these legs can also come down as well. So this actually can get quite large and do quite the amount of range.